Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. Demonstrative pronouns are only 4 in number, which are this, that, these, and those. This and that are used for singular nouns. And the pronouns these and those are used for plural nouns. Let us now look at some examples of demonstrative pronouns. This is my pencil. That is my pencil. These are my pencils. And those are my pencils. This is a car. That is a car. These are cars. And those are cars. This is a mango. That is a mango. These are mangoes. And those are mangoes. This is a chair. That is a chair. These are chairs. And those are chairs. The demonstrative pronouns this, that, these and those point out the nouns after them. For example, this apple is good. That house is beautiful. And I like those cities. The demonstrative pronouns this, that, these and those point out specific things without naming them. So, this was about the demonstrative pronouns. Thanks for watching the video.